I find that students will cut a ½ inch in there, and it just is dangerous. So just do also, because you can also mark these later with chalk if you need to, but I have some tracing paper here that I'm going to try. White works pretty good. Let me finish this first. Okay. Also, you should have some chalk around, and you want to mark the fabric, which direction you cut, and also what the wrong side is. So each piece you should X for the wrong side, so you don't lose track of the wrong side. This one is not too hard because by the time you trace the darts, you know where the wrong side is. But some of the other pieces, you have to X them, otherwise. Now I bring this dart all the way down because you need to free that, that. Yeah, I know, but I do it there on purpose because it's easier with the welt. This is the placement line, which is wrong, because, you know why? Because,
even from the top.
all right, here we go. Right now, the welt is supposed to be 5.5, right? 5. It's a little bit more than 5.5. But by the time you take this out, it's much smaller. Anyway, see, it shows up pretty good. So you can, when you do the other one, you have to trace it, or you, all right, so we cut this out, we got all the notches, so now we can take this off. No, I haven't done the notches on that, so we have to, and you have to X the wrong side. Okay. All right, you take your pattern piece off. Put it aside. Now, here's what you're going to have to do now. This is your right side, no? You're going to flip. If you do it like this, what's going to happen?
Be the same.
You have two the same pieces. You have to flip. So you end up with, right sides touching. You can get at least one more piece out of here. Then the next piece you're going to put on this part, because you have enough fabric for twice the length of the. So now you find your corresponding pattern. Okay, let me find. I'll find. Okay, I'm gonna get. Now, this is where you have to pay attention. Okay. Pretty much right here. All right, doesn't matter if you start from the top or the bottom, as long as you get it in there. All right, now when you pin this piece now on top of this one, on top of each other, you have to find the right plaid. You cannot just do what I just did and sort of say, oh, that looks good. You cannot do that. You have to pin down every one of them. So what you do is you look for the corners of something. Always look for something where it crisscrosses so you can identify it. So I'm going to take this corner here and find the corresponding corner there. So I pin here, I find this one, and I pin. You see, always find the one that is right there. Get the idea? Mm-hmm. Okay. Did you see what I was doing?
I did.
Yeah, you put it in the corner, find this corner, and then you follow the same plan. You have to do it, otherwise it's not going to come out. You don't have to do every one of them. If they close, you can spread it a little bit. But everybody see this?
Mm-hmm.
You got that? Yeah? What about you guys? Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Did you bring your fabric?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Okay.